Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 20th of October with me, Richard Pro, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's move on to Eurodollar now. And we've just started to see some support coming through. I've been talking about the fact that I still, I'd seen this near-term correction off that key resistance around 1465. I'd seen that near-term correction as an unwinding move rather than the start of another slide in the euro. And the fact is that I see all these indicators generally as long, sort of medium to longer term, pretty positive actually. High lows throughout on this euro since March. Also the RSI forming that as well. And I saw that the fact is that you've got this sort of band of support that starts to come in around 113 figure, which were the old highs from these sort of late September moves. And then in between that, there was a pivot around sort of 112 figure area as well. So a band of sort of 100 pips worth of support. Yesterday's low was 113.04, so sort of hit the top of that band and sort of rallied again. And here we see the RSI as well in that uptrend, sort of turning higher from around about 50 point. So it's still pretty strong actually. I think it's being supported, and you might see a drift back towards the highs again. And that's ultimately where I see the euro going. I think ultimately it will sort of retest these highs. Now the big caveat to that will be obviously whether Draghi chooses to jawbone the euro lower in Thursday's ECB meeting. So that is probably the biggest risk I think you'll get in this chart. But still, I think that the euro will be finding a new low around that sort of 112 to 113 mark, and then push higher back towards the range highs again. Whether it's formed that low or not remains to be seen. You look at the hourly hourly chart. You haven't yet seen a proper turnaround. You still got these lower highs in place over that corrective phase, so that starts to come in around sort of 1380, and then 1420 is the next one. We've still got these momentum indicators, which are sort of still trying to improve, but nothing too positive yet. So I'm not getting too crazy about this little rebound that we've had in the last couple of hours yet. I still think that there could be sort of maybe another sort of dig at 113, but ultimately I still see a support between 113, sort of 112, 113 to be the next area where we see the next low. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.